Namaste. Today we're going to look into a posture called the down head dog. I will start by giving you the basics and then I will give you a number of variations to do on it. First, why is it called down head dog? Well, you might have seen dogs when they stretch. They have the bottom up, the feet down, and they yawn and they stretch. And then they come back again and you can see a smile on their face, and then they go about playing around with the friends from their dog family. This is what we're going to do today. Let's start by coming up and then going down into forward bend, placing the hands shoulder width apart and placing the feet hip width apart. And find a distance between the hand and feet that is suitable for you. Now check your heels and try and lower the heels. And now check first chakra and second chakra, that is the buttocks area, and sort of point them toward the sky. This is an inverted pose, which means that the lower chakras are up toward the sky and the upper chakras are down toward the ground, toward Mama Earth. Now, with each outward breath, bring the buttocks more up and bring the area between the arms and trunk into a line. With each outward breath, bring the shoulder blades apart, bring the shoulders away from the ears, and bring 6th and 7th chakras, that is the head, closer to the ground. Now you can choose to let the head hang loose and lengthen the neck, or you can bring the head up as a dog would do. You play around with this. Keep breathing. This posture is a very basic, fundamental building block of yoga. It is used widely in partner yoga, for example, in acro yoga, and it is very useful for people who work at desks and at computers because it helps lengthen the chain of muscles in the back of the body. Breathe and relax. And keep this going for as long as you can. And if you want to start doing some variations with it, you can bring one leg up, for example, and the other leg up. Or you might want to bring the knee to the nose. It's important to keep breathing. You might want to work on second chakra with this one by pulling the tummy in, the lower tummy, like this. To come out of the posture, place the knees onto the floor. Come on all fours. And relax for a moment or two. Let it sink in. Now, what can you do with this posture? Well, as I said, you can use it in many contexts, but with this particular video, you can use it for as long as you like. Start with the basics. Here's my friend, Charlie. So start with the basics and then add some variations. And also try and keep it going longer and longer. In yoga, pauses from 5 minutes upwards are extremely beneficial, but of course it takes time before you can get there. That's it for today. Bye bye.